Updated, the CDC today made its expected announcement that relaxes mask requirements in most indoor spaces. The new guidance means that it's now considered okay for most Americans to go maskless indoors in public, including those who are not vaccinated. The announced recommendations indicate that Americans only need mask up indoors when their region's healthcare system is in danger of being overwhelmed. Only 37% of the U.S. currently falls into that category, according to the CDC's newly altered thresholds indicating outbreak severity. The new framework assessing outbreak severity mixes new hospitalizations for COVID-19, current hospital beds occupied due by COVID-19 patients, or hospital capacity, and new COVID cases. Based on those factors, communities are placed in either low, medium or high severity categories. More specifically, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky said that the calculation would be based on fraction of hospitalizations that are COVID, number of admissions per 100,000 that are COVID and cases. It's a switch from the country's previous focus on case counts. It's also an acknowledgement that, while the Omicron variant is more infectious and may spike infections, it's not creating results as severe as those seen from Delta. A CDC official indicated that 23% of U counties are in the low category, 40% are in medium and 37% high. See an updated map of U counties here or in adjacent graphic. Only in regions qualifying for the high category are mask mandates recommended indoors at schools. The county classifications will be updated weekly. With widespread population immunity, the overall risk of severe disease is now generally lower, said Walensky, director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, said on Friday. This updated approach focuses on directing our prevention efforts towards protecting people of high risk for severe illness and preventing hospitals and healthcare systems from being overwhelmed. Previously on Thursday, the Centers for Disease Control is expected to relax its masking guidance in most indoor spaces tomorrow, according to the Associated Press. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky also hinted at changes, writing on Twitter this afternoon, at @CDC, we have been analyzing our #COVID-19 data and shifting our focus to preventing the most severe outcomes and minimizing healthcare strain. Local health officials in California said today they were anticipating changes from the CDC, as well. Los Angeles County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer, while briefing reporters today about a loosening of masking rules in the region, said as early as tomorrow, we expect the CDC to release new framework for managing COVID-19. LA has pledged to keep certain masking restrictions in place until the county dips from the widespread to the moderate level of spread per the current CDC definitions.